Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Questions and answers for beginners or intermediate learners. What is your name?
My name is Alice.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax and watch movies.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Is it raining now?
No, it's sunny.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes.
Are you feeling cold?
No, I'm fine.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Is this your pen?
No, it's not.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What day is today?
Today is Friday.
What is the date today?
It's December 14th.
What is the weather like?
It's sunny and warm.
What is your favorite time of the day?
I like evenings.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 5th.
Is it snowing outside?
No, it's not.
How long is your lunch break?
It's 1 hour.
Do you enjoy the rain?
Yes, it's relaxing.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What does your mother do?
She is a teacher.
Do you have children?
No, I don't.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Max.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them often.
Are your parents strict?
No, they are kind.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Does your brother study?
Yes, he does.
Do you get along with your siblings?
Yes, we are close.
Have you been to Paris?
No, I haven't.
What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Tokyo.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
How do you travel to work?
I take the train.
Do you live in a big city?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream destination?
My dream destination is Italy.
Have you visited the beach this year?
Yes, I have.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I prefer mountains.
Is your town quiet?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
Where would you like to travel next?
I'd like to go to Spain.
What do you study?
I study biology.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do.
How long have you worked here?
I've worked here for 2 years.
What subjects do you like?
I like math and history.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I love learning.
Do you want to change your job?
Not at the moment.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.